What if I told you you could travel with just one bag and still look put together, not like you lost a bet? Welcome back. I'm Jess of Okay's Family Travels. Today we're talking about one bag travel using a great travel bundle from COR Surf. Well, it's more like 1.25 bag travel, but we'll get to that later. And before we dive in, the folks at COR Surf sent me their Island Hopper 40-liter travel backpack bundle to try out. So I will have an affiliate link and discount code in the description box. First, we need to lose the what if I need 5 jackets feeling. One bag travel is about editing, ruthless, slightly judgmental editing. Ask yourself, will I realistically use this? If it's clothes, does it work with everything else? Am I packing this out of fear? How many uses does this thing have? All right, let's talk about the backbone of this operation, the 40-liter backpack. A 40-liter size is basically the sweet spot, big enough to hold your life, small enough to still qualify as a carry-on. Always double check that the weight and measurements of your bag comply with whatever airlines you're on. Let's move to the packing cubes, the real heroes of one bag travel. This bundle comes with a large compression packing cube, a smaller one, and a laundry or shoe bag, and here's how to use them. The large compression packing cube is your clothing command center. Rolling saves space, so we're going to do that. I'm going to use the 3x3 packing method. I have like 11 examples of this method on my channel if you're interested. The small cube is for smaller items. Think underwear, swimsuit, and sleepwear. And the laundry bag or shoe bag we use for dirty laundry, so you're not mixing clean and worn items and doing the sniff test every time you try to get dressed. Now let's pack the bag. Shoes are always at the bottom or closest to the back panel for weight balance. If you don't have a shoe bag, use a plastic grocery bag. It's not cute, but it works and it's free. Your packing cubes go here. Heavier items closer to your back. This keeps the weight centered so you're not leaning forward like you're hiking through emotional hardship. Lightweight items like jackets, scarves, and anything you might need quickly go in next. And because this bag opens fully, you're not stacking blindly. You're placing intentionally and you can access everything quickly. It's giving organized adult even if the rest of your life disagrees. If you have to bring your laptop, there's a padded laptop sleeve that fits a 17-inch laptop, plus space for documents. I like that it's well padded and has a false bottom so your laptop doesn't hit the floor even if your bag does. Let's move to the toiletry bag because this is where things usually go off the rails. This one is compact, water resistant, and most importantly, nicely structured. It opens flat, which means no digging. Everything has a place. The elastic loops hold bottles upright. The mesh pockets keep smaller items visible. There's even a separate section for toothbrush stuff, which, thank you, COR Surf. There's also a hanging buckle, which is perfect for those hotel bathrooms where counter space is more of a suggestion. The idea you want for toiletries is pack only what you need. Travel size liquids are probably too big. Bring the smallest amount. You use less than you think. Use multi-use products where you can. If it can do more than one thing, we love it. Get real about what you use. No just in case I decide to become a different person on this trip items. Buy stuff at your destination. Put in a grocery order and add toiletries. Or go shopping at your local drugstore. They probably have great stuff there. I've got videos which I'll link below if you need ideas for reducing your toiletry load. All right, let's talk about carrying your bag and what to look for. Because backpacks are great until your shoulders hate you and make you pay for your choices. This backpack has padded shoulder straps, a chest strap, and a waist belt, which matters because the waist belt shifts weight off of your shoulders and onto your hips, which is where your body is really meant to carry weight. Also, it's lightweight, around 3.2 pounds empty, which means you're not spending your weight allowance before you even start packing. This is where things get impressive. Hidden pockets on the back panel for passports or anything you don't want easily accessible to strangers are great. This one has a hidden pocket and a super secret hidden pocket behind the luggage pass-through. Water-resistant material and zippers are also important because weather loves to test your packing decisions. This one even has a zipper garage over your laptop and top-of-the-line YKK water-resistant zippers. Let's pack these other pockets with chargers, sunglasses, toiletries, a junk drawer, and my in-flight essentials kit. These carabiner attachments are great if you just need to clip something and move on with your life. And that should do it. Remember in the beginning I said 1.25 bags? Okay, in this system, I'm also bringing a small purse or sling to carry my everyday essentials. This counts as my personal item, so I'll wear it on the plane and when I'm out and about every day. And what if you want souvenirs? Well, I usually go for magnets, stickers, or small, not breaky ornaments. For dog sitters or those holding down the fort while we're away, I try to pick up some special shelf-stable food from where we are right before we head home. If you've never tried one-bag travel, this is your sign. Start with what you actually need. Use tools that help you stay organized and accept that you do not need a backup outfit for every possible version of yourself. If this helped you rethink how you pack, please go ahead and like this video because it's free and YouTube is a rough platform these days. And if you want more packing strategies and mildly to wildly sarcastic travel advice, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching.